Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll walk you through resetting your Devolo AC repeater 300. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or preparing it for a new network, resetting is a straightforward and essential step. Let's dive in and get your repeater back to its default settings. Resetting your Devolo AC repeater 300 is essential for troubleshooting issues, clearing previous configurations, or preparing it for a new network. It restores the device to factory settings, ensuring a fresh start for optimal performance and connectivity. Next, plug the repeater into a power outlet near your router. Make sure it's within range of your existing Wi-Fi network for the initial setup. The LED light will start blinking, indicating that it's ready to be configured. First, locate the reset button on your Devolo AC repeater 300. You'll find it on the side of the device. It's a small, recessed button, so you might need a paperclip or a similar tool to press it. Next, press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 seconds. Keep holding it until the LED light on the repeater begins to blink rapidly. This blinking signals that the reset process has started and the device is restoring its factory settings. After holding the reset button, wait for the repeater to complete the reset process. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Once the LED light turns solid, the repeater has been successfully reset to its factory settings. Now that your repeater has been reset, you'll need to set it up again. You can do this using the WPS method or through the Devolo setup page. Check out our other videos for detailed guides on both methods. Once the setup is complete, move to an area where your Wi-Fi signal was weak and connect to your extended network. You should notice a significant improvement in speed and stability. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of expert professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt and reliable assistance. And that's all there is to it. Resetting your Devolo AC repeater 300 is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Drop any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.